Ooh. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Clovers and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very simple cut crease. Like this is just a regular simple cut crease, very, neutral sort of. This is basically a neutral eyeshadow look, but it is a cut crease. So it's very nude, very natural, very, not too many colors, just, something very natural you could wear to anywhere if it's just like you're just going out after the lockdown, okay? Stay at home, please. So if you want to see how I got this, please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with this other eye. Today I'm gonna be using this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. I got it off of Aliexpress and it looks like this. It is I honestly don't know how many eyeshadows are in it, but let me just count them very quickly. Wow, there's 63 shades in this. There's 63 eyeshadows in this eyeshadow palette, and it is not one of those eyeshadow palettes that, has very plenty colors in it and then it's just whack. This is actually really good. I really like it. The colors are very pigmented and the shimmer shades are very creamy. I can assure you of that, and that is like, top tier. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do what I have on this eye, which is a very simple cut crease eyeshadow look. So we're gonna start with that. So now what I'm gonna be starting off with is priming my eyes. What I want to do is get my concealer. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C13, and I'm just gonna use that all over my lid. Now I really like this concealer for prepping my lid because it dries down to a matte form. So that means that I don't have to go in and use any setting powder or any other eyeshadow to set it after I put it on. So that is a really good that is a very good plus. So if you find a concealer that would dry down to a matte form, I think you should just go ahead and get that, or you could just go ahead and get this. Now that I have my base ready, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be focusing mostly on this area on the eyeshadow today. I'm going to be using about 4 shades. I'm going to be using this one right here, and this one, and this one. Okay, first of all, to begin with, I'm going to be taking this brown eyeshadow right here. It's a very deep brown and it's not ashy. That's something I really like about this eyeshadow palette. I mean, apart from these ones that are obviously going to be very ashy on my skin tone, these ones right here are just chef's kiss. They are really perfect on my skin tone, and that's something that I know that is not really common with like a lot of eyeshadows out there. A lot of these dark shadows turn out to be ashy, and that's not cool. I'm taking that brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease. Right now I'm just packing it on. If you notice, I didn't go ahead to blend it out or anything like that. I was just packing it on for the most part of it. So next I'm going to be going into a lighter shade, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is just a very lighter brown that is going into a peachy tone. So I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow right here, and I'm just going to use that to lighten up the edges, just to blend the edges out. So to do that, I'm going to just pack them on, just pack the eyeshadow on lightly first, okay? I want to pack it on first. And now once I'm done packing it on, I'm just going to start blending out. I'm going to go in with an empty brush. By empty brush I mean it's just empty. It is a very fluffy brush. I'm just going to use that to blend everything out. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the same concealer that we used earlier, and I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. So now to do that, which is the main aim of this video, I'm going to take just the concealer, put some of that at the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna be taking my angled brush. I don't know, a lot of people like to use like a flat concealer brush to cut their crease, but personally I don't know. I have way much more control with an angled brush, so I guess that's what I'm gonna be using today. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that onto my brush, the concealer I mean, and I'm going to just begin with cutting my crease. So now what I want to do is take it to the middle of my eye, like so. I'm taking some of that onto my lid, and then I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna look up from side to side like so, and then that way it is created where I'm supposed to cut my crease, which is this part right here. Okay, so now I'm going to extend that downwards, and I'm going to begin with cutting my crease with the concealer. I don't know if that makes any sense whatsoever, but so like so I'm just going to extend it right here as well. I'm gonna take my buffing brush and I'm gonna just use that to buff the ends. So next what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna go back into that same brown eyeshadow that we used for crease earlier, and I'm going to use that just to join where the concealer ends and where the eyeshadow starts as well. So I'm just gonna packing that to that area. So next I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this I don't know what color this is. This is like a brown shade. It's like a mustard shade. Yeah, I think I got that. It's like a mustard shade sort of, and I'm just going to take that and put that on the middle of my lid like so. Now to blend where the dark brown starts, which is this middle right here, and where this ends, which is also this middle right here, I'm gonna go back into the shade that we use to blend out the edges. I'm just gonna use that to bring everything together right here. So I'm going to go back into this same eyeshadow, and I'm going to just put all of that on this area of my lid. Now I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this bronze, like this bronze color. So I'm putting that in this area right here, and I'm going to extend it up until this area up here. And then there we have it. So I believe it matches, I think. We're gonna go in and do our eyeliner. Now, we're in a pandemic, and we're supposed to stay at home, and then I run out of my eyeliner. I don't know why I had one eyeliner to begin with, but we're gonna be substituting today. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and what color is this? It's the black one. It's kind of faded. Let me try. Black Bean. Okay, it has a number, but that's faded. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner. I'm gonna put that on a very tiny angled brush, and I'm gonna use that as my eyeliner today. I'm gonna begin just a regular plain old wing liner. If you want to see like in depth how to do a wing liner, let me know in the comment section so I could get that into a video for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the under of our eyes. Under of our eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line of our eyeshadow. Okay, so we're gonna go into this black eyeshadow right here. It looks like it is black, but I mean it is black, but it is not very. It's not dark enough for like for me to call it black. You know, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna use that on my lower lash line. Right? Okay, yeah, it is black. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just after I put that on, I'm gonna go back into this shade that we used earlier, and I'm gonna use that to blend out that black that we just used. Okay, so I'm taking my random ass brown liner, and I'm just gonna line my lip with that. So I'm gonna go in with a nude lipstick, and I'm just gonna put that on my, just gonna add some gloss. Use a little bit of setting spray. Okay, so that is it. I'm just going to go ahead, fix my hair, and get out of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I hope you learned something, at least one thing from this video, and if you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave in the comment section for me. I will definitely answer you as soon as you put it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button after you're done with this, or you know, at any time, literally anytime. Anytime. Also click the like button and share this video with all of your everybody. Okay, every single person you know, just share this video, and I'm pretty sure it'll be of help to anybody really. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.